Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Dhope from Praveen Patel Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study next part of our chapter 4. Learning outcomes of these videos are: after watching this video, you will be able to know about COCOMO model, basic model, intermediate model and detailed model. Then let's start with our basic COCOMO model. In last lecture, we have studied about some brief introduction of COCOMO model. COCOMO is one of the most widely used software estimation model, and we have seen there are three classes of software project: organic mode, semi-detached projects and embedded projects. Then next we'll understand COCOMO model kind first, that is the basic COCOMO model. The basic COCOMO model estimates software development efforts by using only lines of code. Various equations in this model. There are some equations to calculate the value of efforts in person per month, that is calculated for equation E. On screen you can see the formula to calculate the equation E. Then here A of B, this value, it will be taken from this particular table. This A of B, if the category of model is inorganic, then it will calculate here 2.4. If semi-detached, then 3.0. If embedded, then 3.6. KLOC, that is a line of code. And D is development time in month. Here, this B of B and D of B values from that equations that will be taken from this table. The mode is organic, semi-detached or embedded, and particular value of B of B and D of B is chosen. The next, P equals to E divided by D. In above equations, we have seen the value of how to calculate E and D. Then from that, you can get the value of E. That is the total number of persons required to accomplish the project. Merits of this basic model are: this model is good for quick, early, rough order of estimates. And limitations of this model are: accuracy is limited. It does not consider certain factors like hardware constraint, personal quality, experience and tools. Then consider the given example. Consider a software project using semi-detached mode. Here the mode is given, that is a semi-detached mode with 30,000 lines of code. We will obtain estimation for this project as. Then how we will calculate the value of E? It is given this formula. We know that. And this is A of B value. It is find out from the table. Here the mode is semi-detached and we have to find the value of A of B and B of B. So we'll go towards the table. A of B semi-detached is 3.0 and B of B is 1.12. Here you can see A of B is 3.0. In that formula, place the value. KLOC is 30,000 lines, means here KLOC will be 30 and raised to B of B, that will be 1.12. And By solving this equation, you will get the value E equals to 135 person per month. Then we will find out the value of duration, that is D equals to this particular formula. In this formula, place the values, then you will get the particular output. The next person estimation, that is P equals to E divided by D. By using this formula, we will get the particular values. The next is intermediate model. Intermediate model is an extension of basic COCOMO model. This estimation model makes use of set of cost driver attributes to compute the cost of software. Computer software development effort as a function of program size and set of cost drivers. That includes subjective assessment of product, hardware, personal and project attributes. Give rating to 15 attributes from very low to extra high. Find effort multiplier from table and product of all effort multiplier gives an effort adjustment factor. Here the cost driver attributes are, product attributes are required reliability, database size, product complexity. Computer attributes are execution time constraint, main storage constraint, virtual machine volatility, and computer turnaround time. Cost driver attributes, again personal attributes and project attributes we'll find out. Personal attributes are analysis capability, programmer capability, then applications experience, virtual machine experience, programming language experience. Project attributes are use of modern programming practices, use of software tools, required development schedule. That are the project attributes. An intermediate COCOMO equation, that is the particular table is given. Here the formula to find out the value of E by using intermediate COCOMO equation. Here the categories A of I and B of I. Here this A of I, the value of A of I for particular mode, organic, semi-detached, embedded is given, and B of I's value is particularly given. E equals to A of I, K LOC raised to B of I multiply by EAF. That is the formula to calculate the value of E by using intermediate COCOMO model. The next is detailed COCOMO model. The detailed model uses the same equations for estimation as the intermediate model. But detailed model can estimate the efforts E, duration D, and person P of each of development phases, subsystems, and models. The experimentation with different development strategies is allowed in this model. 4 phases used in detailed COCOMO model are: first is requirement planning and product design, that is RPD. Second is detailed design, that is DD. Third is code and unit test, that is CUT. And last is integrate and test, that is IT. That are all about your detailed COCOMO model. Then in this lecture we have studied basic COCOMO model, intermediate COCOMO model, and detailed COCOMO model. Thank you for watching this video.